it is used, okay, to add a string to the given string required times. Okay, so let me first write some string. Let's say ABCD is the string. We want to add, okay, space E. Okay, how many times I have added space E? Revati? Revati, are you there? Space E I need to add to the ABCD. Then how many times I have added here? Tell me.
One time.
One time. I want to add this one 10 times. Then what to do?
Plus.
It is bit difficult, right, to write 10 times? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many times I have written? 1, 2,
7
3.
times.
Okay, it's difficult for me 100 times or 7 times or 8 times. So what we will do is we will learn replicate function, okay, to add something to the given string n number of times. So let me write a logic.
Okay.
Replicate of given string comma small n. Okay, so now we will use this syntax. Replicate, not here, sorry. Replicate of, okay, space E comma, how many times we want to add?
10 times.
See,
Yes, sir.
can you just count how many space is, Rohita?
Sir.
How many times space E I have added for the ABCD?
9.
Revati, just count how many space is. At least count E.
10.
We have 10
10,
is
sir.
10, sir.
Good. Okay. So if I put 100, then
100.
100.
100 times we can add automatically, right? We don't need to type it 100 times, right? Okay. So I have a one requirement, simple requirement. Let's say employee ID. Okay. Employee name. Okay. Just let's 1 minute. My battery is not working properly. Employee ID, employee name, okay, designation like, okay, just 3 columns more. Okay, for the first employee 1, for second employee, okay, employee name is just Srinivas, okay, employee designation is SSE, okay, second employee is, okay, 201, okay, Naresh, okay, so here third employee 3540. Okay, here it is TL 1101 is the fourth employee. Okay, Raju. Okay, SSE. Okay, this is the data we have received from someone or somebody is created this table. Okay, so but they wanted this output, this input like this. They asked display the employee ID in 4-digit format. Display the employee ID in 4-digit format. What to do, Adit? They have created a table. They have created a table like this. Okay. Just observe it, employee ID.
Add zeros in front.
Hmm. Now observe employee ID. Okay, we have added zeros before the number. If I add zeros after the number, value will be changed. Correct, Adit?
Yes, sir.
How to do this? Tell me.
Replicate comments.
Correct. Replicate functionally we have to use. Okay, tell me for this one, how many zeros we have to add?
3 zeros.
3 zeros we have to add. For example, this is the number. Okay, how many zeros we will need to add?
2 zeros.
So dynamically we need to think, correct? For one row, okay, 2 times. For one row, 3 times. For one row, nothing. For example, for this number, how many zeros we need to add?
Nothing.
Right. So can you just do one thing from your end? You create a table with this structure and with this data along with the insert scripts. Can you send me?
Okay.
You are not clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I am creating the table, sir. You are not helping me. I have created a table, sir. We will need to store the data, correct?
Yes.
Insert into employee data. Multiple records, we know, right? How to insert? Okay, we will put single quotes.
Space తీసుకోండి సార్ ఇక్కడ.
We have inserted data, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Revati, just check the data. So
Yes, sir.
whatever the input that we have discussed, we have created a table and we have stored same data, right?
Yes, sir.
Validate it 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 5.
1101.
Okay, so what is our requirement? We will need to display the employee ID in 4-digit format, right? Hmm? Okay. So we will do one thing, okay? We will find out a number of characters in the employee ID column. So what is the function you wanted me to use?
Len.
Len of EID as number of digits or characters, anything is okay. This is just for our purpose we have mentioned. Okay. Okay. For this one, what is the length?
1.
1. Okay, right. For this one, what is the length?
3.
3. Okay. We by using the len function, we are able to calculate the number of digits or characters length, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one length is 2, correct? This one length is
4.
Okay, right. So we are good. Next, some logic I will mention here. It is very simple. Okay. So total, how many zeros we will need to add before this number, we still don't know, correct? Okay, but
Yes,
we
sir.
know the standard format. What would be the standard format, Adit?
4.
4 digits. So I am going to
Subtract. Len
4
from 4.
minus. I am going to just mention hard-coded value like 4 minus. So tell me, 4 minus 1, how much, Revati?
3.
3. Okay, 4 minus 3,
1.
1. 4 minus 2,
2.
2. 4 minus 4,
0.
0.
0. So now you understood that how many zeros we will need to add, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will execute this query. Just observe it. So for this number, how many zeros we will need to add? Nothing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where we will mention this logic, tell me. You don't want to tell, right? Hello. So I am using the replicate function now. Okay. So 0 we supposed to add. So I am putting 0 in single quote. Why we mentioned 0 in single quote? Because replicate function can be used only for the string, right, Rohita? Hello, Rohita. Okay. For example, I
sir.
am putting 3. Okay. So let me execute this query. So this one is displaying how many zeros? Everywhere it is 3
3
zeros.
zeros.
Okay, instead of hard code value, so I have the already logic. I am going to copy it and I am going to put here. Now you tell me, okay, zeros are dynamic or static now? Zeros are static or dynamic now?
Dynamic, sir.
Dynamic.
So zeros are ready. Okay. So for this number, how many zeros we need to add before the number?
3 zeros.
3 zeros. So we are good now. Okay. We will have to write one more logic. For this one, how many zeros?
1 0.
Okay. 1 0 we need to add. It is ready. So 3 5, 2 zeros we need to add. For this one, we don't need to add anything. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So logic also ready. Okay. So first, this logic as it is, I am copying it. Okay. So I need one help. Okay. So if I execute this one, what is the data type of the output, Adit? Replicate function output data type I need. Tell me. What is the data type of output for replicate function? String only, right?
Yes, sir. String.
It is a string. Okay. So now I wanted to add this number of zeros before the number. That is the reason I have added a left side and I am putting plus Okay, EID. Okay, so this is a string. This is a string. This is also should be string, correct? Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes,
But
sir.
okay, what is the output of sorry, data type of input EID column? What is the data type of EID column?
Integer.
Yes, sir.
Integer,
Integer.
sir.
Okay, integer plus a string. Do you think it's possible? This is a string. Okay,
No.
this is a integer. Do you think it's possible?
Sir.
It's not possible. So we will do one thing. We will change the data type of EID column at a runtime here only. So for that, we will need to know the function called convert. Okay, remember convert of data type comma input column name. Okay, this is the syntax you should know. So why do we use convert function? To change the data type at a runtime. To change the data type at a runtime. To change the data type permanently.
Alter.
Yes, very good. Alter table name, alter column name, data type. Correct. But at a runtime, only for temporary purpose or for the logic purpose, we need to change. We will need to use convert function. Convert of required data type and your input column. Okay, so now for EID, actually the integer data type, now I am using the convert of, okay, so input column name is EID and okay. Next, what is the data type we will mention? String, right? It is nothing but a varchar. So I am putting the length is 10. Okay, so clear or not clear, sir? Hello? Hello? What is the
Yes, sir.
data type of this replicate function output? String. What is the data type of convert function? What is the data type of convert function? I mentioned varchar. Varchar means it's a string, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So string plus string, possible or not possible?
Possible, sir.
Okay. So now we will mention a EID underscore new. It is a logical column. This is not a physical column. This is a logical column. So what are the logical physical columns in your table? Only 3 columns are physically available. Correct? What are the 3 physical column names? Yeah, EID, ename, designation.
Nation.
So except those 3, everything is a logical. This is a logical. This is also logical. This is also logical. Okay, it won't, logical means it will not be stored in your table. So let me expand the test 6 database, refresh. Okay, what is the table name? Employee data. Revati, you tell me how many columns are physically available in the table? Only 3, right?
Right.
Okay, so if I execute this query, how many columns we will be getting? Physically or logically both? How many columns we will be getting? You don't want to tell, right? Huh?
Four.
Mhm. Why you are telling 4, sir? Physically 3. Okay, star indicates that all the physical columns. Okay, next, this is 1 column. This is 1 column. Okay, this is 1 column. Total how many?
3.
3.
6, sir.
6,
6
sir.
and a star indicates all physical columns. So 3. This is a 1 column. This is a 1 column. I can't tell mathematics now. Okay. See, there are 6 columns now. Okay. The first 3 columns are physical columns from your table. These 3 columns we have written. Okay, as per our requirement. Okay, so if you are not mentioning anything for your expression, okay, by the default it will display no column name. Correct? For this one, we did not mention any logical column. Okay, you can mention if you want. Okay, so number of digits. Okay, na sir? Not number of digits. Okay, string underscore zeros. Okay, sir. Hello. This is
Yes,
just
sir.
column alias. This is also column alias, logical column. So this one is a expression or logic. So for your expression, if you don't mention your logical column, what would be the default column? What is the default column? No column name,
No
it will
column.
display.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So now you please tell me, did we achieve this requirement or not? Actually, employee ID is having the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, but in the requirement they ask display in 4 digit. So we are able to display yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So you have written a simple example here. Okay. Just a small e we have added 100 times. This is just for your understanding. Right side I have added a replicate function for the ABCD string. But here what we did, where we have added a replicate function, where we have added a replicate function for the EID column.
Left side.
Left side. Why did we add left side? If we add right side, okay, value will be different. Okay, if I add right side, okay, there will be no change in the value, correct?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
That's the reason we added left side. Okay, so what you have to do is in your notebook, you first put a side heading replicate, and then you have to write down the description, what is the use, and then please write down the syntax. Okay, write down the simple example. After that, you create a table and work on this simple requirement. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down
Clear.
replicate function. Write down the description. It is used to replicate some string to the given string n number of times. It is used to add a string it is used to add some string to the given string n number of times. Completed, sir. Definition. Hello.
They are done, sir.
Okay. Write down the syntax. If anyone is not clear, please let me know. Once you finish, you just check what is the next function.
Reverse.
Reverse, I will not explain. You will only have to tell. Revati, Prakash, Mahesh. Hello, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the reverse of Mahesh. If I use a reverse function on your name, what is the output?
Suppose Raju is there, sir. Raju ఉంది కదా
Hmm.
దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ UJAR
Ante.
ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి సార్.
Ante, correct. Okay. Reverse function will display the output from the right side, correct? Prakash, Venugopal.
Yeah, got it, sir.
So you have to write down the definition, you have to write down the syntax, and you have to write down at least 1 or 2 example.
Okay.
So I am not explaining the reverse function. Revati. Hello, Revati. నీ సిస్టంలో రివర్స్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి నాకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాయాలి. నీ సిస్టంలో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలి కూడా. అదిత్, అందరు కంప్లీట్ అయిందా సార్? ఇది మొత్తం రెప్లికేట్, ఇది మొత్తం నోట్స్ మీ దగ్గర?
Yes, sir.
ఈ లాస్ట్ క్వరీ కూడా రాశారా, రాయలేదా? Completed, sir. Hello. Sirisha. Sirisha.
Sir.
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. So
Completed,
can
sir.
I give one interview question to you? Not only to you, everyone.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So, right. They have given a list of email IDs in one table. They have given a list of email IDs, okay, in one table. Okay, for example, let me, okay, tell you the data. The table name is, okay, employee data only. Okay, in that table, okay, there are two columns. One is employee ID, one is employee email ID. Getting or not getting? Hello, Sirisha,
Getting, sir. Getting, sir.
Mahesh, Venugopal. Hello, Venugopal. Venugopal, why you are not opening the mouth? Revati, ఇంకా ఎవరు యాక్టివ్ గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళని లేపుతాను. ఓకే, జ్యోతి. హలో జ్యోతి.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine.
Why you are not speaking?
No.
Kalyani. Okay, please remember the column names. EID, email ID. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so first email ID for the first employee, 1. Okay, employee ID 1. Okay, employee email ID is mahesh@tcs.com. Okay, na? Anyone has any questions so far? First employee data is in the table EID 1. Okay, employee email ID is mahesh@tcs.com. Okay, next second row employee ID 2, employee email ID is prakash@wipro.com. Okay na sir? Next third row, okay, 3, okay, rohita @genpact.com. Okay, fourth row 4, okay, revati @abcd.com. Okay, clear? Data is clear or not clear?
Clear.
Why
Yes.
you guys are not telling?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
won't give the
Clear,
okay,
sir.
I won't give the interview question if you are not giving the response. Hello.
Clear, sir.
Okay, please create this table and send me the scripts. How many columns?
2 columns.
2 columns. How many rows? Just 5.
4.
Correct?
Yeah.
4 or 5. Okay, na? Please send me the script for creating the table, and also please send me the scripts for inserting the data. Okay, I will give the requirement. I have given a input to you. So once you are ready with the input, I will give the requirement. It means what I am expecting from that.
So can you repeat the columns you need?
My God. Oh my God. Where are you? Niharika,
Sir.
please tell me the column names. Mahesh,
Hello, sir.
what are the columns, sir?
Employee ID, email ID, sir.
Correct. How many rows? 4 or 5?
4, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay, I received a script also from someone, sir. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I have to execute this script. In interview, they asked this question. That's why I'm giving to you. Okay, how many people will try? Okay. Right, sir. Table I created. Also, can you please send me the insert script, Prakash? Prakash,
Yeah, sending, sir.
okay. Whatever the scripts you have written, right? You just copy and paste in the chat box. I can take it from there. I will
Yeah,
execute
okay.
it. Right. Sirisha, I already received Amma. I needed data now. So when I create a table by the default, it will be empty, Adit, right?
Yes, sir, it will be empty.
Okay, I received a insert script from Prakash. Okay. Can anyone tell me why I am not creating the table? Why I have asked you to send?
Just to
Adit?
be like familiar.
Huh?
Just to get familiar.
If I keep on creating the table, okay, you will not try. You made a mistake, Mr. Prakash.
Yeah, column is.
Okay, anything mistake 401, 402. Okay, right. Insert into table name. Okay, you missed values, boss.
Okay, I didn't execute.
Okay, I am going to insert now. We will get a 3 rows affected message. Okay, Revati, ready? Hello, Revati. Revati, ఉన్నావా ఆడుకుంటున్నావా?
No, sir. Just
We created a table and we have stored 3 records, correct?
yes, sir.
We are going to check now how many records in this employee table. How many rows will be there?
0.
3 rows.
3 rows. Okay. They did not give the employee name separate column. Okay, you have to derive that column logically. So for this row, what is the employee name?
Prakash.
Prakash. For this row, what is the organization name?
Wipro.
Wipro.
Wipro, sir.
So for every row, we will need to get it. For every row, we will need to get it. They asked this requirement. So basically, okay, they asked to extract the employee name from the email ID. They asked organization name. Are you getting or not getting still? Hello.
Yeah, getting some.
Yes, sir.
They asked this requirement, okay, in one of the interview. Okay, so what is your logic or what is the query they asked? Or please write down the query. So we have defined a logical column, sir. But for temporary purpose, what we did, just single quote. It means blank value. Okay. See, for example, for prakash@wipro.com, okay, e-name is blank. Do you think this is correct? No, right? Do you
No.
think, okay, it is correct? No, right? So if in place of single quote, you will need to write a logic to get a or to extract the employee name. Okay, na? So who is ready, sir? Okay, I think someone is already completed. No. Okay, no one is trying. Okay, I have already completed. Okay, char index function. Using that char index function, we will try now. Okay, what is the syntax for char index function? Any idea? Any idea about char index function?
Select
Char index of
Char index of
space.
search string.
what space? Search string.
Yeah.
Search string, comma,
Given
given
comma,
string,
position.
given string, comma, column name, right? Column name, comma, start position.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is the syntax for char index function. Okay, now we will use a char index function to find out a position of @ in all the email IDs. Okay, so here I am mentioning @ Okay, comma. What is the column name? What is the column name?
Email.
Email, correct?
Email ID.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
From the beginning, okay, onwards, we will need to find out, correct? At the rate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what is this one? Position underscore at the rate. Okay. So that is the logical column. Let's execute this one. Okay. See, please check this output is correct or not correct. So in this email ID at the rate is available in which position?
Eighth position.
8th position.
Eighth position. Okay. In this eighth position. In this seventh positions. What is the function we have used?
Current.
Char index. So as per the syntax, we have mentioned search string. We are looking for at the rate. Okay. In the given string or in the column? Please see the
The
syntax.
given string.
Column.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a column. We supposed to use column. Okay. Next, from which position onwards we will need to search for
One.
at the rate 1. From the first position onwards, we will need to start searching for at the rate, correct? That is the reason we have mentioned 1. So we already know how to use a char index function. Okay. So we have identified where at the rate is available in each email ID. Clear or not clear? Hello? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, okay, I want to extract from the beginning before at the rate. Okay, please try to understand. I want to extract from the beginning till at the rate. What is the function I supposed to use?
Substring and
Okay, substring next.
substring of char index of this whole line and comma -1.
Super, very good. Okay, next, anything else?
Left.
Okay, left function. Okay,
Yeah.
so we will have to use a left function. Okay, it will be easy. Okay, for anyone. So what is the syntax for left function? Left of given string or column name,
And
comma,
length.
length, number of
Length.
characters. Okay, so what is the column name?
Email.
Email.
Email. Okay, comma. Okay, so I am going to copy this part. -1. Okay, na sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is the output that we are going to get for this? What is the output that we are going to get?
Name.
Name,
Yep.
employee name.
Yeah.
Okay. As e-name. So you have to put a comma because we have a next column. Okay. See now output. Please see the employee name output. Okay, this is the email ID they have given. From this email ID, we are able to extract the employee name, correct? So employee name is available before at the rate, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to extract organization name. We are going to extract organization name. Okay, so what to do, sir?
In the same, we can use dot instead of at the
Sure.
rate.
You can use rate function as well.
We
Substring.
will remove this.
Substring we can use.
Substring.
Okay, first we will extract the string after at the rate. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Right of. What is the input column name? Email.
Email ID.
Email. Column name is email. Email. Okay. Column name is email. Okay. Next, comma. How much we have to mention? How much we have to mention, sir? We don't know how much length we have to mention, correct? So let me try in this way. LAN of email minus, okay, I am using the char index. Okay, so you please, okay, think about this one first. Okay, you please tell me what is the total length for prakash@wipro.com. prakash@wipro.com. How much length?
17. 17.
17. Okay, you said 17. 17 minus, okay, what is this car index? 8.
Because
17 minus 8, how much, sir?
9.
9. So, okay, so from the right side, we are going to extract 9 letters. Just count. MOC.4. Okay. Correcta? Saripotunda, saripoda. 17 minus 8, how much, sir? You told? Chappan, sir,
9.
please.
9.
Okay. So you just think for right function. Okay, na, sir? So at a runtime, for the first row, this value will be 9. Okay. For this one also, how much? What is the
7.
total length for
15.
this? 15. So here it will be 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, how much? 7, correct?
7.
So from the right side, we supposed to extract 7 letters. .com is 4, TCS is 3. So 7. It will be okay, right? That's why we are able to extract TCS, correct? Hello?
yes, sir.
Hello?
Correct.
So we don't want .com. We don't want .com, correct? Sometimes in the email ID, we will get a .in also, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we will need to handle it. Okay. So in this one also, we are able to get cap.com, correct? So we are able to extract something after @ from the given email IDs. So, but still we need to do some work. So we will need to find out a position of dot. Position of dot. Please try to understand. Okay. In this each one, okay, we need to find out a position of dot. How do we how do we find out the position of dot? So I will use
Car index.
I will use char index. Okay, so you already know the syntax for the char index. Okay, char index of you know the syntax already. So such string is nothing but a dot, correct? Okay, so from the first position onwards, we have to search. So in this place, what to do? Given string or column name, we have to use. So I am going to copy this part. I am going to copy this part. I will be mentioning here. So now we will execute this one. Okay, in this wipro.com, dot is available in a 6th position. In tcs.com, dot is available in a 4th position. In cap.com, dot is available in a 4th position. So 6 minus 1, how much?
5.
4 minus 1?
3.
3. 4. Okay, so we can get Wipro, we can get TCS, we can get a. So what to do, sir? Why you guys are not telling, sir? Left off. Tell me, sir, please. This one we will take it as a input for the left function. Okay. Comma. Left function definitely will expect a argument. Correct? Second argument. Yes or no? For
Yes,
the
sir.
left function, we have mentioned a given string or column name. Okay, we mentioned a logic. So now number of characters we have to mention. Okay, -1. Avuna gada, sir. Okay, so what is the output of this one? What is the output of this one?
Only company name will get.
Arg name, right? Okay, so we have completed finally. So why it is showing error? Because for this one we didn't put a comma. Okay, so what are the columns we required now? We required this one. Next we required this one, right? This one, This one just for our understanding or for our logic purpose we have mentioned. Now I am going to remove this. I am going to remove this. They didn't ask, right? Actually. So please see. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They have
sir.
given only 2 columns. One column is employee ID, one column name is email. So from the email, we are able to extract their employee names. Okay. Or also from the email, we are able to extract the company name or organization name, correct?
Yes.
Are you there?
Yeah.
So this is the question they have asked in interview. Okay, na sir? Is it difficult? So what is the new function here we learned? Nothing, correct? Left function we already know. Char index function we already know. Okay, correct? Yes, sir. Len function we already know, correct? Only the thing is we, as per the requirement, we will need to use the respective function, right? Venugopal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So you try this logic, okay, whenever you are free today. Okay, don't copy or don't take screenshot. Okay, so you know the logic. Right, sir. Because all the string functions we have finished. Okay, in real time or in interview, how they will ask the question. Okay, I have just given one simple example. Okay, na sir. Hello. So in
Okay, sir.
interview, they won't ask what is left, what is the syntax. They will give a scenario or they will give one requirement. So in that case, you will need to write down the query. Okay, na sir.
Yeah.
Don't think that they will ask definition and simple syntax or simple example. They will give a scenario. Based on that scenario, you will have to write a query or logic, okay, in front of them. Okay, na sir?
Okay.
Right. Next. What is the next function, sir? Reverse, I think I already told you that you will need to try. So what would be the syntax for the reverse? Reverse of given string or column name. Okay, na sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you already written, I think. Okay. For example, I am going to use select reverse bracket open bracket close. Some name we will give. Okay, na sir? See the output of reverse function for the location. It is correct only, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So we have completed, okay, frequently used string functions, correct? Did we complete or not?
Completed, sir.
Okay, sir. I have completed. I don't know whether you have completed or not. Okay. Already, okay, 2 days holidays. Okay, why? What is the next one? After string function, what is the next topic?
Date functions.
Date functions. Okay. Very, 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 very important for the interview. Okay. Date function. Very, very, very important. Okay, let's start. Date functions. Okay. So in SQL Server, okay, I think you have 1 week of experience on using the SQL Server, correct? Yes or no? You
Yes,
have
sir.
started learning SQL or you have started working on SQL Server database, okay, 1 week, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So for
sir.
example, you have created a table. You have created a table. In that table, you have mentioned some columns. For one of the column, you have mentioned the data type, date time. Okay. If you have the date time data type for any column, okay, what is the format you will enter for the date column?
Year, month, date.
Okay, we should tell like this sum.
In
Why?
a single quotes.
MM-DD hyphen space HH
Minutes,
minute
SS.
seconds,
Hours.
SS
second.
MS. Okay, in this format we need to enter. Okay, but we are not entering this for time format, correct? So if you are not entering the time, okay, what is the default time? It is inserting 00 hours, 00 minutes, 00 second, 00 millisecond, correct? Okay, so this is the date format we supposed to enter. Okay, clear or not clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Clear, sir.
right. So now, what are the date functions? Okay, we supposed to learn. So there are 4 type of date functions. Okay, first one is date part. Second one is date add. Third one is date diff. Fourth one is date name. These are the 4 functions we supposed to learn. It will take again 1 class. Okay, that's the reason I told you tomorrow also we will have a class. Okay, right. So now we will learn very basic function. Okay, it's a system function, get date. Get date. Okay, get date. By using this get date, okay, we can display the system date and time. We can display the system date and time. In my system, what is the date and time? Emma? October
One.
21st, 2023, 8:34, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So, right, we will see the output of get date function. So for that, we have to use a select. Okay, so let me execute this query. Please see the output for the get date function 2023. It's a YYYY. Next 10 is nothing but a month number. 21 is a ARDD. Next, the remaining is HH colon MI colon SS dot MS, correct? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now you are clear with the get date function. So what are the various parts that you are seeing in the output?
Year, date, month,
Hmm.
hours, minutes, seconds. Yes.
Milliseconds, correct. These are the parts we can see in the output of the date. Okay, na sir? So some parts you are clear. Some parts you are clear now. Okay, so what is 4 wise? It means year.
Year,
What is MM? It is month number.
month,
Month number. It is
date.
day of number. Not date, day of number. So today date is 21. So 21 we will get it. Okay. So what are the part types we need to display? So for example, what is the quarter number of today date? Adit, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
What is the quarter number for today date?
21.
Q2.
21. 21 is the day number in the month, boss.
Quarter
You are
two.
Fourth
not
quarter,
getting.
sir.
Fourth, we are in 4th quarter because okay, October month is running. October, November, December is the 4th quarter as per the calendar, correct?
Yes.
Okay, at least you tell me, okay, 1 quarter will have how many months, Adit? Oh my God. January to
4 months.
December are the month names, right? In any calendar year.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quarter will have 3 months. Okay, so January, February, March is the first quarter. April, May, June is the second quarter. Okay, July, August, September is the third quarter. Do you want me to explain all these things? Hello? Hello?
No,
Mahesh?
Sir,
we are good.
Why you wanted me to? Okay. Okay, 1 month will be having how many days?
30 minutes.
No, your answer is wrong. Revati? Hello, Revati. Hello, Revati, are you there?
Sir,
Okay. 10th class complete అయింది కదా నీకు?
fine, sir.
కంప్లీట్ అయితేనే నువ్వు వచ్చేది ఇక్కడికి.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. 1 month కి ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయి చెప్పు.
30.
ఎవరు చెప్పారు? నీకు ఎవరు చెప్పారు? మహేష్. హలో
As
మహేష్.
per month, sir. As per month, 30,
Ah.
28 ఉండొచ్చు, 30 ఉండొచ్చు.
అది అట్లా చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్. డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద మంత్. అంతేనా కదా?
Yes, sir.
డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద మంత్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫిబ్రవరి హౌ మెనీ డేస్?
28
28.
ఎవరు చెప్పారు?
or 29.
28 or 29, sir.
Depends on leap
Depends
year.
on the year.
ఆన్సర్ అట్ట కాదు.
Depends on the
డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్
month.
ద ఇయర్ టైప్ అని చెప్పాలి.
Year.
26.
Depends on the year type. If it is a leap year, we will be
29.
having
29.
29.
29. If it is a non-leap year,
28.
అట్లా చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్.
Okay, sir.
బట్టి కొట్టి వచ్చినట్టున్నారు, నాకు అర్థమైంది మీరు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడికి. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎందుకు డిస్కస్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది అంటే క్వార్టర్ నంబర్ అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ లో ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ డేట్ అనేది ఏ క్వార్టర్ అనేది కనపడుతుందా?
No, sir.
No, sir.
కనపడతల్లా. మనకి అవి కూడా తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ఫంక్షన్ వచ్చేసరికి QQ. Adit, I am just speaking in local language. You will be able to understand Telugu, right?
Sir, I can understand even English.
Oh, you can't understand Telugu.
Both I can understand.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, so QQ means, tell me,
Quarter.
to find
Quarter.
out a quarter number of the given date. Okay. Okay, these are clear for you. Okay, these are straightforward. So we don't see QQ information in the date. So still we will need to get it. QQ stands for quarter number. Okay, next you tell me DY means. DY stands for day of year. Day of year. Okay, so you tell me how many days will be there in a year?
Depends on the
Depends
year.
on the
Based on
Depends
the
on the
year.
year type.
Year.
Suppose
Depends.
if the year is a leap year, then
356.
366.
366.
yes, 366. If it is a non-leap year,
365.
365.
how do you know this year is a leap year or non-leap year? If you divide a year
Oh,
number with 4, if we get a remainder is 0, then we can say that it is a
leap year.
every 4 years we will get a leap year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me 2023 is a leap year or non-leap year?
Non-leap year.
Non-leap year. So definitely this year will be having 365 days only. Okay, so 365 out of 365 days, today is which day of year? Can anyone tell me how many days are completed from the January 1st till today? Okay, you are not telling answer.
293, sir.
Right, 293. Okay, that information this part will give you. Okay na sir? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Next, so QQ you understand, DY you understand. Next, one more function, DW. Adit,
Yes, sir.
how many days per week?
7 days.
7 days. It's fixed. Okay, right. So today is Saturday, correct?
Yes, sir.
Today is Saturday, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So week begins with Sunday and week end with Saturday, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Week begins with Sunday and week end with Saturday. Okay, right. Today is a Saturday. So what is the week day of week number?
7.
7. Suppose today is a Thursday, then
5.
today is a Thursday. In that case,
Five.
what is the
Five, sir.
5. Okay, good. Okay, now you understand what is DW. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one more. Okay, WK. Okay, WK stands for week. Okay, so if you use this WK, you will get to know this date is belongs to which week out of 52 or 53 weeks. Clear or not clear? Year will be having 52 or 53 weeks, depends on the year type. So today date we are interested, it is part of which week? Okay, na sir?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, so how many part types that you understand right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
So now we are familiar with the part types. So let's start using this date part function. Okay. By using the date part function, okay, please try to understand the definition first. By using the date part function, we can get a required part from the given date. Okay, na? We can get a required part. So this that part can be WK, part can be QQ, part can be SS, part can be MI. We can get this required part from the given date. Okay, na sir? Okay, so let's
Yes,
see
sir.
the syntax for the date part function. Date part bracket, okay, part type, comma, given date or column name, sir. Okay, so we will use one simple example, sir. Select. What is the function, boss? Date part. So in the part type section, I am using I don't want to tell what is Okay, so here I mentioned some customized date 2023. Okay, 06. Okay, 20. Okay, you only tell me what is the output of this
6, sir.
query. 6. Okay, good. Because okay, month number it will display. Okay, na sir? Clear
Yes,
or not clear? Suppose if I use 4 in place of part type, then what is the output?
year will be displayed.
2023.
Year will be executed.
Right. Okay. Year will be executed or year will be displayed?
Year will be displayed.
Okay. I am using QQ. Then what is the output?
Quarter of.
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
6
Second
and
quarter.
ikkada. So 6 means
Second
June.
quarter.
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
Second quarter. So you will get number 2. Okay, na sir?
Yes,
Okay, na
sir.
or not okay?
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
today I will, okay, for example, in this place, I am putting 10. Okay, today date is 21, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what is the output?
4.
Okay, next dy. I think she told, okay, 293, I think 294, I'm including today. Okay, na? I didn't see. Okay, next dw. Then what is the output?
7.
7. Okay, right. Next, I will use a dd. Then why you are not telling, sir?
21.
21.
20.
ఇది రాకెట్ సైన్స్ అయితే కాదు నాకు తెలిసి. Then this might be little difficult, but we will ask system. Okay, na sir? We are close to complete this year. So 42, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow also we will be having the class. Okay. We will finish all the functions tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give the notes, don't worry. So just remember, okay, each part types, okay, for tomorrow class. Okay, na sir?
Okay, sir.
I just pinged you in the chat box. Okay, please copy and paste in the notepad. So you just try to understand what are the part types that we will need to remember while working on various date functions. Okay, YY, MM, DD, next HH, MISS, MS, QQ, DY. Okay, clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. At what time we will have a class tomorrow? 8 o'clock is fine. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Tomorrow we will have a class at 8 o'clock instead of 7:30. Is okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because day after tomorrow is the festival. That's why I'm going to take the class tomorrow, sir. Also yesterday and day before. Okay. Because of me, holidays, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, we
sir.
will meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Please practice all the string functions. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.